Navitsky.
Tail of the tape there. Slight height and reach for Azam Гафурф. Sorry for Mansour Hatuev in the red corner. Гафурф in the blue. Oh, big exchange early.
So I do feel this is going to be a very, very fun fight. Both really, really high level in all areas. And at this weight class, Brian, you always come to expect these little mad sort of scrambles.
Add to that, they both want to prove something. They both want to re-establish themselves in this flyweight division.
Also, what surprised me with both these guys at this weight class, they both have that power in the hand to, not many people have that kind of one-punch sort of power at this weight class, and both of these guys have this.
Look at the look in the Tuev's eyes as well, Brad. Really is focused. It's been almost aloof in the hotel, really focused just on getting ready for this fight. Oh, big exchange. Uppercut attempt from Гафурф.
Yeah, Гафурф also switching stance, trying to give different looks. And you see just there, he's switching back from southpaw to orthodox, trying different sort of approaches.
But Tuev's counter-striking is on point.
You just see there's definitely a look in his eyes tonight, Brian.
Гафурф has gained sort of following.
Good little front teeth there by Tuev. Гафурф fires back with a good little 1-2.
55 seconds left of round number one.
Oh, that's a good shot landed there by Tuev.
Shot for shot, they are matching each other, and Tuev now leaps in. Гафурф looking to counter. Spinning attempt, Гафурф looks to body lock. Stylistically so similar, Brad.
Yeah, exactly that, Brian. I mean, I was going to say, really excited to see these guys duke it out here in the ACA cage. And I say, Brian, this is not a 5-round fight, but the competition and the level of this, both these guys are coming off championship level fights, so you know we haven't. These two right now could easily be fighting for the title here.
Oh, without a doubt, and the crowd now on their feet. Did you see that kick, the back kick, reverse kick from Tuev? Гафурф marches forward. Oh, the right hand's clipped Tuev, he's hurt! He's hurt! Oh! Tajikistan are on their feet! And Tuev is on the floor!
He slipped down there, Brian, but I think actually done him a favour, giving him a little bit of time to recover.
Oh, and he's still on wobbly legs, Brad. Azam Гафурф marching forward. Oh, he slipped him again.
Another slip. He's definitely been hit and he was rocked, so he's on wobbly legs. But that one there, he just slipped his feet, but as he fell down, he's done a good job to get on this single and try and get rid of those cobwebs.
Just find the time to breathe and get that pressure from Гафурф away, because my goodness, what a moment in this opening round. It was neck and neck, Brad, and then Гафурф rocked him, kept coming. Like you said, he slipped, but he was on wobbly legs once, and then again twice. And now Гафурф has him pressured against the cage.
Literally, just before this all kicked off, I was just about to say, it looks like it's starting to heat up. Now let's see if it has a two.
Oh, no. He's timing that right, Brad. He's really reading it. And if you look at the low left hand of Mansour Tuev, that's the open shot, and again it connects.
That right hand has found the home. It seems he can't miss.
Look at the hips on him, though, Brad.
Oh,
he's storming is charging forward.
Oh, and again he's landing. This is it, but he's not missing. This is the thing.
The referee is keeping an eye on this as well. Hatuev firing back. Can he survive? The crowd on their feet here in Moscow.
Гафурф seems to be a little bit tired as well now, obviously so, trying to put Hatuev out.
And Hatuev, he seems to have regained his composure.
Yes, indeed. When you're here and you're in good shape, before that, then he got dropped Гафурф with a little uppercut on the way in, but don't think so.
So far, pretty much all striking, all on the feet.
There's been a couple of shots, but I mean, beautifully timed sprawls as well. Oh. It just for me, it just kind of feels like Hatuev has really good striking, but it just feels like the power advantage has got a little bit to Гафурф. He seems to be landing a little bit heavier.
And now stalking his prey once again. But Hatuev, he comes from that Ushu Sandu background, and his kicking arsenal is fantastic. We've seen him use it multiple times in previous bouts.
What he's doing, but I'm a little bit worried about with his kicks is leaving his hands down and being very exposed and getting hit himself.
He connected with a nice uppercut with Гафурф a minute ago. And now the crowd, the Tajiki flags are flying high tonight. Oh!
See, he has that beautiful front kick, but when he does it, his chin's miles in the air, and Гафурф is trying to throw a right hand as he does it.
And again, that uppercut, he steps in, he is putting all he can into that shot.
Yeah, he's doing that because he's very well. Гафурf's sort of stance is very low, and when someone's low and ducking down like that, he could duck right down into an uppercut.
And again, he throws it, Brad.
He's got to be careful not going to the well too many times.
And this time, it's Hatuev putting the back of Гафурф against the cage.
This is the sort of response you'd want from a young fire after that really tough first round to come back here and arguably doing some better stuff on the feet.
Oh, a nice front teep there to the midsection. But what recovery from Hatuev. He was in real trouble in round one. Now he's looking to engage some grappling. First time we've seen these two really lock up, but as I say that, they separate again. Oh, toe-to-toe.
Yeah, great response by Hatuev in round number two. Definitely slowed Гафурф down a little bit, I believe. Which is hard to say with these two flyweights.
So we talk about round number one. Oh, nice low kick, takes him out. Both back to their feet. We talk about Hatuev's recovery from the damage caused, but you've got to flip the coin as well. How much did Azam Гафурф use trying to finish Hatuev in that first round?
Exactly that, Brian. Also, sometimes you have that kind of good, beautifully timed double. That's going to score a lot of points in this round, Brian. Yeah, going back to what you're saying, is in like sometimes you get that adrenaline dump when you believe the fight is done. You believe you may have finished that fight, and you don't, and they survive. It can take a lot out of you.
And this now sees Гафурф trying to get back to his feet.
Did a great job of trying to get that wrist control, but Hatuev did a good job of getting his hands back together, getting that body lock, getting a little bit of control and position. I mean, like, what around here to turn this around here by Hatuev.
And when I was talking about this fight to a number of people in the hotel, quite a lot of people felt that the wrestling of Hatuev would be the difference. Obviously, we saw against Yunus Evloev the level of grappling, how he's able to engage it with Azam Гафурф. But now Hatuev has closed the distance, holding this position, and has made some fantastic, not just adjustments, but has been able to recover after that very hard first round.
That for me, Гафурф was doing the right thing. He's trying to fight the grips in the hands. Good little adjustment there.
Look at that. Every time he progresses a position, the crowd take the roof off this place.
Oh, that was a good little elbow there. that when you get anything in your eye, you're always going to initially think it's an eye poke.
Yeah.
I've done that before in one of my fights. I got punched in my eyeball and I thought it was an eye poke, but when I look back at the replay, it wasn't. Good.
Oh, good hits from Гафурф also.
Yeah. Big tussle here, Brian.
Oh, and on the break, they're throwing heavy. You can see what this fight means to these two. Everything being laid on the line between these two feisty flyweights. Oh, a nice right hand from Гафурф.
Now you see a different sort of urgency. Гафурф here. He's playing forward here now. Artur find himself being a bit defensive.
Oh, a nice takedown. Caught the kick.
Yeah, he caught the kick. He's complaining that because that was a kick to the face. You've done that to get back to his feet. But Artur, now you see this is kind of rattling him a little bit here now. You see here, as he caught the kick well, took him down, but as you do see here, as he's down, knees are down, he gets kicked in the face. Oh, he stopped it right there, but he gets kicked in the face to get back to his feet.
And again, looking for the takedown now. Look at the single leg.
Yeah, you got to feel that these are the scrambles.
Acrobatics and a little nod of appreciation from Artur.
Yeah, Artur knows he needs to get this to the fight to the fight. Гафурф knows he needs to keep it on his feet. There's 2 attempts now. That's Artur has not been successful.
3 minutes left in what has been an outstanding main event of our preliminary card. Oh, left hand connects as Artur throws the spinning back fist. Oh, and again chops him with that low calf kick.
Yeah, actually, I think it was her, but you see that Гафурф didn't want none of that. He didn't want to go rushing in and maybe get, doubled himself. Oh, you see now.
He's trying to read that.
Hurt. Yeah, his legs hurt. He's reaching down Artur. But now he's getting a bit more predictable with his shots. You see that Гафурф knows what's going on.
Great hits from Гафурф as well. Watch the break. Oh, Artur just connects. Now he's got hold of that leg. Can Azam get it free?
Yeah, you got to feel now. Again, talk about adjustments now. Within the 3rd round, beautifully, adjustments made by Гафурф, knowing that Artur may be going for the takedowns. Stuff 3 attempts now. He's 0-3 this round, Artur for the takedowns.
Wow. And Artur still working that lead leg. Oh, can Artur finish it?
It's going to be a big battle. Did a great job pummeling that underhook there. He's 0-4 this round, Brian.
And now they exchange once again in the center of the ACA cage. Big shot to the belly there. Lovely mix-up from Azam Гафурф. I think that lead leg is causing him some problems.
And was doing so. He's got no head movement. His head's there. You see every time he throws, his head's right there.
He really is struggling to base on it. And again, Гафурф strikes.
Now you see that Artur is kind of like forced here to try and exchange.
That movement has been taken away. 50 seconds left, Brad. Oh, and the right hand connects from Azam Гафурф. Oh, a slip there. Oh, they're both connecting now. This is toe-to-toe stuff. 30 seconds.
Good timing. This makes it very interesting, Brian.
What a takedown.
But Гафурф is not letting it. Fighting it to the last 10, come up to the last 10 seconds. Was that a little bit too late within this round to do enough to steal the round, Brian?
Oh, what a fight this has been. We have been treated to 3 hard-fought rounds.
Дамы и господа, в этом противостоянии большинством судейских голосов победу одержал Азам!